Hey my curlies, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm also saying welcome back to myself, to my channel, because I have been gone for a while. And I want to first and foremost say thank you to all of you that have remained subscribed to my channel, even though I haven't put anything up in, far too long. It's been, a year basically, maybe even over. But I want to say thank you for sticking with me and staying subscribed to my channel, despite the fact that I haven't done anything with it. I am back and I am planning on getting back into the groove of making videos. I let life get the better of me and I just sort of dropped the ball on my YouTube channel. But it is something that I'm going to change, and yeah, I'm starting today with my first DIY video in a minute. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Maicurlies on social media. I am called Maicurlies on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, and here on YouTube as well. I will put links to my other social media platforms in the description box below. I'm gonna be sort of reintroducing myself with a mini series. I figured I should update you guys on the mixes that I currently use, anything that I have done since the last time I had put out a video. I wanted to inform you on what I've been experimenting with, using on my hair, and what I'll start with is a very simple DIY cleanser. Now I use this in place of shampoo. I do not use shampoo on my hair. And if on the rare occasion I do, so when I travel, if I don't have access to all the ingredients I would like to use, if I use shampoo, it's an SLS free shampoo, but this is an all-natural DIY mix that I use on my hair whenever I need to remove product built up from my hair or my scalp. If I feel like, whenever you want to sort of start off fresh with really nice clean hair, that's what I use. I use this mix. The 3 main ingredients, and that is it. There is an optional if you want to add it, but it's not necessary. The first ingredient is Shikakai, and I've already mentioned this on my channel because it is what I've been using for years to cleanse my hair. I will put a link to the video where I review it up top on the screen and in the description box below. But yes, I use Shikakai. Then the second ingredient is H2O. I use bottled water. I have hard water in the faucets, like the water here is hard, so I use bottled water for that. And then the third ingredient is apple cider vinegar. The optional one is an essential oil, and like I said, it is optional, it's not necessary, and depending on your preference, you can use any essential oil you want. In the example, I show you peppermint because that's what I like using for my hair. It helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. It helps give that really nice, fresh, clean smell as well. So it's, it's just what I happen to use. It's up to you. If you are pregnant, I highly recommend that you do not use any essential oils, okay? But like I said, for the rest of you, it is up to you. Alright, so up next is the mixing process. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!